Hey everyone, I'm Yashvi Dhanatya. In today's video, we are going to solve one of the most commonly asked coding questions. Remove duplicate from unsorted array using C++. This is a lead code problem. So now let's understand the problem statement first before we dive into the code. So here we are given a vector called nums. This array is already sorted in non-descending order, which means every element is either equal to or greater than the previous one. Our job is to remove all duplicate elements in place, meaning we should not use extra space. At the end, we need to return the number of unique elements. Let's call this A. So the key idea is, since the array is already sorted, all duplicates will be next to each other. We can use two pointer method here. I points to the last unique value, whereas j scans through the array to find new unique values. Now let's go ahead and start coding this. So inside this function, the first thing we will do is assume that array is not empty. Since the array is sorted, the first element is always unique. So let's initialize our first pointer to 0. Now we start scanning the array from index 1 using another pointer j. There would be a question here. Why from index 1? Because the first element is already considered unique. Then we will check if the current value nums j different from the value of nums I. That means we have found a new unique value. Now we increment to I to make space for the new unique value and stores the unique value nums j in nums I. So the full loop looks like this. Once we have scanned the entire array, the first I plus 1 elements are unique. So we will return I plus 1. So that's it. Now we will run to check. Yeah. So we have successfully removed the duplicates in place and returned the number of unique elements. So your time complexity would be order of n, where n is the length of the array, and space complexity would be order of 1. No extra space used, all changes are made in place. So, if the array wasn't sorted, this technique wouldn't work directly. You would have to use a set or a hash map. The sorted property what enables this order of n solution without extra memory. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you now clearly understand how to remove duplicates from a sorted array using a two-pointer technique in C++. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get more problem-solving walkthroughs. See you in the next one. Happy coding!